In the next figure, this is a light microscopic section through a peripheral nerve. And what you're seeing are kind of the white spaces that correspond to the axoplasm of individual neurons. And in this case, many of them are myelinated, although the myelin sheath is not that distinct in this figure. Note that surrounding a peripheral nerve will be a connective tissue layer that's known as the epineurium. Separating each individual axon will be a perineurium, and surrounding each individual nerve fiber will be an endoneurium. Note that basically the myelinated surface of the individual axons is indicated by the arrowhead, and the nuclei that are evident in this picture at the two arrows are certainly nuclei of Schwann cells. If we look at a corresponding view of a peripheral nerve in an electron micrograph, that's the view that we have on the next slide, and here you can see how distinct that myelin appears as an array of cytoplasmic wraps around an individual axon that form a very electron-dense appearance in the electron microscope. Note that we're also seeing some adjacent Schwann cell nuclei, because remember, it is the membrane of a Schwann cell that's wrapping circumferentially around an individual segment of a peripheral nerve axon that forms its myelin.